From the top, you pull this lever, and you can't actually push it open or close yet. You gotta pull it up like this, and then it comes loose. Once you let it back down and let go, it can snap back into place. All of this is actually under tension. It's trying to push itself outwards. This is a good thing because then when the gate is open, this bar right here will stay straight. On the four corners, there are these little knobs. It screws into place to help it gain tension. For my stairs over here, it was actually a little bit narrow, so I removed one of these little thumb wheels things on this side so that it can, you know, get narrow enough over here. But let me open this up. See, I have to pull over here. It looks like this thing kind of warps outwards so that you can kind of put it under tension when it's installed. You can have these go up to 37 inches, 46.4 or 51 inch wide. Watch out for the pricing though. It's not the wider it is, the more expensive it is. So you might want to choose an even bigger one just because it's a little bit cheaper. The first size is just this one with 2 bars. It goes like that. The second size is something with this 4-bar one and the 2-bar one. You add these together, it gets extra wide. And the biggest one has this 4-bar one and 2 of these 2-bar ones. So even if you buy the biggest one, you have all the pieces to make any of the smaller gates. In terms of length extension, the base piece is approximately 28 inches wide. This smaller 2-pole piece will extend it about 4 3/4 inches. This longer one will extend it about 9.5 inches, which is exactly twice the length of this thing. You attach 4 of these guys on the 4 corners, and depending on how far you push these guys, it can actually adjust to any width that you want. These guys have this little pin over here on both sides. You push it on here. You do this for the bottom, and these guys actually just slip right in. You don't actually have to screw them in on both top and bottom. Then you twist the 4 sides. Even if you accidentally remove the zip tie, you can still install it just fine. You just gotta put it under tension a bit and then twist those knobs. Now to make it extra secure, you're supposed to drill into the wall. On each corner, you have these little foam things, these little cup things, a set of screws and drywall anchors. Unfortunately, there's no hole on this double sticky piece right here. It needs to go through that, and then one of these pieces go inside this hole like that. Now these pieces are actually rubberized, so it looks like it's meant to grip onto the wall. So you can either use it temporarily or add extra security with these little screw-on cup things. On Amazon, it has this one, and this one, but apparently they have yet a bigger one that has 6 poles in it, like a big piece over here. All right, I got Fia behind the gate. You can't come through, right? Come here. No? Okay, come on. Come on out. See, it works. Now she can't go up either, and then we can also leave the gate open like this or close it as needed. If you guys are interested in this safety gate, check out my affiliate link down in the video description below. Thanks for watching this video. Until next time.